over in our kitchen, it's a Hawaiian Luau with Chef Brian Tice. He's showing us some summer side dishes and a blue Hawaii cocktail, so get ready to do the hula. Welcome back, friends. We are having a summer party inspired by Hawaii today in our Winn-Dixie kitchen. It's all thanks to chef and cookbook author Brian Tice of The Infinite Feast. He joins me now. Brian, what is that right there?
I don't know. I think you should wear it. It goes with your outfit.
It does.
What just happened?
Did I just get laid?
You got laid!
9 o'clock.
Okay,
you can't have Hawaii without a leg, right?
We can't go up from there or down from there. Let's see what we can do. We are making, we're having a Hula girl cocktail party. We don't have any girls, so it'll have to be you and me.
I'm down.
Do you know how to hula?
A little bit. Hula hoop.
I am presenting my famous Luau King cocktail sauce that goes with my Franks here, and then we're going to make a blue Hawaii.
I love it. So let's start with the cocktail sauce. How do we get started?
Here we go. We have applesauce. Sweetened is best.
Which is so interesting. What is applesauce going to add to this?
Well, that's the base. You know, so you could have a pineapple base, which would be very Hawaiian, but the applesauce works better in my recipe. This is duck sauce.
Duck sauce?
You can get it in any, well, not any market, but most markets in the Asian section.
Yummy.
Which is great. And then this is plain old chili sauce.
Okay, so you're layering the flavor here.
We are doing it.
This is so amazing.
We got the chili sauce. We got horseradish. I like it hot.
Okay, come on. Like the heat. Okay.
I like it hot. All right. Then this is apple cider vinegar.
Okay.
Followed by lemon juice. Followed by freshly ground. Only fresh is the right kind. Black pepper. Here we go. Now we're stirring this guy up.
This is so cute, and this is serving as the base for your cocktail weenies. You all are seeing the recipe right there on your screen.
Yeah, this is the Luau King sweet and sour sauce. And usually you'd leave it in the fridge to kind of find itself for a little while before you served it.
How long do you suggest?
A couple hours. But why don't we try it now?
Let's try it now. I love the way you presented it. You have the cocktail weenies here. He opened up a pineapple.
It makes
so
me,
cute.
Makes me want a hot dog real bad.
Oh my goodness, you're a mess. Now I gotta ask you, since we're doing Hawaiian cuisine today, have you ever been to Hawaii before?
I have been once, and I'm going again.
Ooh, what do you like about it?
Well, all the obvious things. The water and the skies, it rains, you know, lightly through the day. It's just beautiful, gorgeous place.
Yes, and I see what you did here. So you have this in here, and then we dip it in the sauce?
That's right.
Ooh, well, dip me one real quick, because I want to try it. Okay, yes, cover it, cover it, cover it. I appreciate you, my good sir. And listen, we got to wash this down with something, right? What are you making for us?
A blue Hawaii, which was invented in Hawaii by a guy in 1957, so it's been around for a while.
Okay, the sauce is delicious.
Good, thank you. I'm so glad. This one is easy to put together. We have pineapple juice this time, not apple juice, but pineapple juice.
Very Hawaii.
Followed by sweet and sour.
Yummy.
Followed by the blue curacao.
Yes, that's going to give it color.
That comes from an island in the Caribbean, which is just off the coast of Venezuela, where they speak a Creole language called Papiamentu.
Ooh.
How about that? Try to say that 3 times fast.
Okay, I would try, but I would fail.
And then we have the most important, the rum and the vodka. They're together in this case.
I love this little shot shaker that you have here.
Yep.
I didn't know they made them that small.
Yeah,
So
well,
cute.
It was good for this recipe. Now, do you want to shake it?
I will shake it, and while I shake
Make sure that we have it all together.
The recipe that you made for us as far as the food is in your book, The Infinite Feast. For those who do not know, how is this cookbook set up?
It is set up by theme, by season, by nationality. You know, it's not organized the way you might expect a regular cookbook to be organized by appetizer and main and all that sort of thing. So let's see. Let's get this guy in here. Sorry to stick my finger in it.
This is so cool. Ooh, I could smell the rum. Absolutely. And I love the ice that you're using.
Do you want to do the honors there?
Yes, let's do it. Let's see. Ready? Go. Ooh. Now, if you're having a Hawaiian party, this is so cute.
Isn't that pretty?
Brian, I love it.
Isn't that pretty?
I love it.
See,
that's okay. The pineapple's a little drunk.
Your garnish falls off sometimes, but that's all right. You want to taste it?
I want to try it. And so, okay, yes, it's set up by season, which I think is great, but there's also some history in here as well.
Absolutely. There's plenty of culinary history. There are interviews with lots of luminaries from restaurants in New Orleans and all kinds of good things in my cookbook.
Oh, this is absolutely delicious. I love the ice that you use, very crushed. I can taste
I made that
the
in my
blue
Ninja.
carousel.
Yeah.
Oh, you made the ice in your Ninja?
In my Ninja, sure.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah. And it'd be good to just mix it all up in the Ninja, but I thought it'd be fun to show you the ingredients.
This is absolutely delicious. Love the cocktail franks. And listen, Brian is sticking around because we're doing more things for our little Luau party, everybody. If you want to find this recipe, you got to head over to theinfinitefeast.com, and you can also pick up a copy of his cookbook, The Infinite Feast, by heading over to his website, theinfinitefeast.com. All right, everybody, stick with us because we're making more sides with Brian from Hawaii a little bit later. Coming up next, everybody, we've got another Hawaiian-inspired dish from Chef Brian Tice. We'll head back into the Winn-Dixie kitchen with him next. Don't move. We are back in the Winn-Dixie kitchen to say aloha to Brian Tice. The cookbook author has been showing us some dishes and a cocktail inspired by Hawaii. And now you're making a side dish for us. What we got going on?
We are making my Hawaiian macaroni salad, which is one of the most prepared recipes from my cookbook. People make it all day long and tell me on social media, oh my God, I love your macaroni salad.
Well, I can't wait.
It's a great side. It goes with everything. It doesn't have to be a luau. You can just have it, with anything that you're making as a main. So mayo, very important.
And what are the ingredients in this bowl right here?
Right now, we've got carrots and scallions and macaroni.
Ooh.
Right. So mayo is an important aspect of this. Then comes some milk. And boom. Then comes some brown sugar.
Okay, so it's a little sweet here.
Yeah, we got sweet and sour. A little bit too with our soy sauce, and then our salt and pepper is an important way to finish it off.
We got to season our food, everybody. And how did you prepare the macaroni? What's your secret to perfect macaroni?
Your perfect macaroni should not be covered. It should not be rinsed. Otherwise, your sauce will not stick. And it should be as I'm stirring here and
perfect as possible.
To do perfect as possible. Yes,
it's already smelling so good. You all are seeing the recipe on your screen right there. I'm still sipping on this blue Hawaii cocktail you made earlier. Oh, I do want to bite, actually.
Right.
Let me try it. Let's see. And while I try this, you have another dish right here.
I do.
Your baked beans.
Aloha, which is tomato paste, brown sugar, molasses, yellow mustard, has to be classic, garlic powder, apple cider vinegar, again, onion, ham, and pineapple. And it just makes the beans really sing and gives them that Hawaiian quality.
First of all,
aloha.
I was skeptical when you put brown sugar in a macaroni salad, but it is absolutely delicious.
Thank you, my friend.
Scallions and, of course, the macaroni. It's perfectly cooked. Now, in here, we were looking at the recipe a little earlier.
Yeah.
Ham steak in the baked beans.
Yes, and pineapple, of course.
In the baked beans?
Yes, of course. And you've got the molasses and the sugar, again, brown sugar. So there's a lot of similarities between these two.
I'm getting the pineapple flavor. The ham steak is offering like a little bit of a saltiness.
Yeah.
Okay, Brian. I see you. And of course, all of these recipes can actually be
those are in the book. Yes. This one is on the website, theinfinitefeast.com. Go there and sign up for my newsletter. I send you free recipes all the time. And then the Luau King cocktail franks are also on the website.
Yes, and we have that recipe on greatdaylouisiana.com. If you missed this, he put applesauce and cocktail weenies together. I know it sounds crazy, but it was absolutely delicious. Brian,
crazy in a good way.
Yeah, crazy in a good way, absolutely. Thank you for taking us to Hawaii today.
Bet. Glad you got laid.
Yes, I got laid again, everybody. And listen, like he mentioned, if you want these recipes or you want to pick up a copy of his cookbook, theinfinitefeast.com is the website to head over to. The macaroni salad was rolling, so great job on that, Brian. And look, coming up next, everybody, you have to stick around. Listen to this. Acquista Paces Markets is adding an unusual ingredient to a cocktail they're going to be making for us after the break. Find out why you want to add olive oil to your bar cart after the break. Don't move.